All right. So what we're doing now is we're having a look at simple interest, calculating simple interest. So the question says, for an investment of $5,200 at an interest rate of 6% for 4 years, calculate. Right, the first question is the amount of simple interest. So to work out simple interest, now this is something that I want you to write down because this is your formula. It is. So your interest, so please be writing this down, okay? Interest is equal to the principal. Now when I say the principal, that is your amount, the amount you start with, okay? So I'm going to call it principal. You can call it whatever you want, okay? So it's the principal times the rate, okay, times the time. So you can see it, the interest is principal times rate times time. Okay, so let's have a look and say, all right, well, what are all of our things? Okay, so what is our principal? Well, our principal, if we go back here, is $5,200, okay? Then we say, well, what is our rate? Our rate is 6%, and our time was 4 years. Okay, so we're going to go 5,200, okay, multiplied by your rate. Now, our rate was 6%. You have to do that as a fraction. So we're going to go 6 over 100, okay, multiplying by your time, which was 4 years. So we're going to go 4. Now, if we put that into our calculator, where's my calculator? So, yes, this is a disgusting calculator, which was tears, but anyway, 5,200 times by, and I go 6 divided by 100 because it's a fraction, times by 4 equals, I get 1248. So equals 1248. So what they're saying to me, that the interest, the simple interest that I would earn on this money if it was in the bank account, if I had $5,200 in my bank account for 4 years at a rate of 6%, I would earn $1,248. So now we've answered the first question, which says the amount of simple interest. Okay, so A, we've answered that question. But now B says the value of the investment after 4 years. Well, what we do then is we started off with 5,200. We made interest of 1,248. So we add them up. That's 8, that's 4, that's 4, that's 6. So how much money did we end up with in our bank account after 4 years? Was 6,448. Okay, go ahead and give us a try.